Welcome to the instructions video for the LeadTime Queue Process Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you analyze production flow by breaking down total lead time into queue time and processing time, giving you insights into your manufacturing efficiency. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter a few key values. First, input your queue time, which is how long items wait before processing begins. Let's enter 4 hours as an example. Next, enter your processing time, the actual time spent working on the item. We'll use 2 hours for this example. You can also specify the number of units if calculating batch lead times. Once you've entered these values, click the Calculate button. The results will show your total lead time of 6 hours, along with your processing efficiency percentage. A lower efficiency indicates more time spent waiting versus working, highlighting potential areas for improvement. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.